This story of the Exodus Sea crossing is where it all began for me over 18 years ago. I can't explain exactly why I've been so taken with this account that I would risk my own business and personal life to explore these questions. I just knew it was something I had to pursue. And after all those years, I did find a pattern of evidence showing that the Exodus and conquest happened, and that Moses really could have written about these events as an eyewitness account. However, there are still major questions about where the Israelites traveled, what sea they crossed, and where Mount Sinai really is. In fact, after Israel gained control of the Sinai Peninsula in 1967, they searched extensively for evidence of their history. But no trace of the Exodus journey was found at the traditional locations. But have we been looking in the right places? If we can determine which sea was crossed, it could give clues about where to look for Mount Sinai. So now for me, the first issue in the Exodus journey is the Red Sea miracle. What sea was really parted, and could there still be evidence? Come, see the evidence for yourself. It'll inspire you and your family. Red Sea Miracle Part 1 and Red Sea Miracle Part 2.